If you want someone to want you, then you have to become more attractive to get them to actually notice you, and then you can seduce them. Now, there are certain body language ways that you can actually adopt so people notice you and feel curious to find out more about you. And if you want to know what those are, then just stick around for the video. Don't have a boring introduction. Introductions, we all know they are super important, don't we? And when you first see someone, you can't help but stereotype them. So be very mindful of how you act when you first introduce yourself. Do you come across warm and welcoming? Do you give the other person direct attention? We all love to feel appreciated. Now, if you can give someone a warm hello and give them a sincere compliment or ask them a question, they're going to walk away thinking about you. Display your open body language. This will tell the other person that you're comfortable in your surroundings, and also it's easy to approach you. And if you want people to talk to you, then make it easy. Don't shy away behind your phone and scroll or cross your arms. Keep your torso stretched out and upwards. Make sure that your arms are completely not crossed, okay? Make sure there is nothing to obstruct your availability for people to come over. If you are holding a bag, put it down. Make sure you stay in a confident persona and you're not checking your phone every couple of minutes. Show the palms of your hands. Now, I told you this one, you can actually test it on people and you'll be able to truly understand them. But when you talk, try to maintain that open body language, but keep your palms visible. If you hide them in your pockets or under your coat, you're kind of giving off the vibes of, I'm pretty closed off, don't come over to me. Now, we use our hands to express ourselves. So if people can see that you are talking and you don't keep your hands tied down, then they think, wow, what a confident person. Slightly attractive. I'm interested. This next tip kind of is an extension. I need you to focus on loosening those elbows. So you're going to be talking with your palms outwards, but try to not keep your elbows in, because even if you do show your palms, it looks like you've got an issue with BO when you're trying to hide the situation. But if you could open this area and display your palms and, don't do a chicken dance, it's pretty weird, but people can actually see that you are very comfortable in your surroundings, and of course they're going to want to approach you. Lean in closer. When someone enters our personal circle, it completely throws us off guard. It could anger us and it makes us feel a little bit cautious, like, dude, what are you doing? It really sets off the attraction brain as well. Now, we save this personal space around us for those that we are intimate with. And when someone crosses that boundary, we think, oh, this is my intimate partner, but wait, we're not actually together. What's going on? Now, make sure that you only go into someone's personal space if you feel you have a bit of a vibe going on, because if you do it when you don't really know the person, you just come across a massive creep. And when you do enter this personal space, make sure you back off. Only be there for a couple of seconds. Maintain some strong eye contact. Now, we stare more at the people that we find attractive, plus strong eye contact gives you that uber confidence and makes people think, wow, what a powerful person. Don't stare the other person out, but maintain that gaze to let them know that you mean business and you are interested in what they have to say. Tilt your head. Like this. Be expressive with your gestures and actually tilt your head a little bit. Naturally, when we are interested in what someone has to say, we tilt our head. So if you do this, the other person thinks they are really into what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, they are giving me full, personal, undivided attention. I need to get to know this person a little bit more. Be expressive with your gestures. This ties on very loosely to the previous tip. When you are happy, you're shocked, you're sad, you're angry, or you're really interested in what someone has to say, you have to be very over the top about it. If someone says, oh, this crazy thing happened today, I went into this shop and then someone didn't actually put the item in my bag, so I walked away and then I ended up paying for something I don't have. If they are angry, you match that and go, oh, you know what? That's crazy. How dare they do this? And because you are connecting with someone on that same emotional length, it makes them feel very connected to you, which is the start of building attraction. If you are a lady, reveal your neck. neck. Now this works on both people and also if you're trying to seduce a vampire. A woman's neck is a sensual and delicate area, and revealing it lets the other person immediately know that you are interested in them. So flick your hair past your shoulders, or potentially play with your collar or your necklace, and let that other person know that you are confident with your sensuality. Walk with wide steps and with your shoulders back. Who knew that how you walked could actually make you look more attractive? Let's face it, if you walk past someone in a club and they have been checking you out and they are interested, but you didn't see them and you walked past them with your shoulders down and just kind of really upset about things, then they are going to lose interest, and it's not a risk that you are willing to take. Guys, rub your chin. This is for you if you're attracted to someone. The psyche when a guy does this lets the other person know that you are interested. Or you can even rub the back of your neck like this. This actually releases sexual pheromones that the other person picks up on. Don't fidget and remain in your power pose. You can put your hands on your hips if you wanted to, it's not always a great look. A big telltale sign that someone is nervous is when they play with things close to them. Their nails, they bite their nails, they constantly touch their hair, they check their phone, fiddle with their keys. If you have to do something which looks as if you are depending on something exterior to calm your internal state, it's a big sign that you are not confident, and obviously we are not attracted to people that lack confidence. Smile more. Smiling is easy, and it shows you have an amazingly high self-esteem, and it also removes the awkwardness from the other person, because if they know that you feel comfortable, they will feel comfortable, and smiling's contagious. And there we go, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to binge some more, click right here. Or if you want to get your name up on our super fan board, then all you have to do is be a member of our Joyanima monthly membership. Details will be down below. Like and subscribe. See you soon.